Hello and welcome. In this session, we will understand what is a moving average trend line. For that, first I will quickly explain how average is calculated. Please bear with me if you already know about this. So, average of numbers is basically sum of those numbers divided by count of numbers. Consider these four numbers. To find the average of these four numbers, we will add them up. I'll use auto sum function and divide the sum by 4 because there are four numbers. So 40 is the average of these four numbers. Let's consider this series which shows monthly sales for Mumbai for last 12 months. So if you were to find out the average sale of Mumbai for this period, then you would divide this total by 12. So this gives us the average sale of Mumbai in last 12 months. Now let's understand how moving average works. Let's calculate the average of first 2 months. For that we will add up these two numbers and divide them by 2. This gives us average of first 2 months. Now, if you want to shift this average from first 2 months to the second and third month, we can drag this formula down and now this is the average for next 2 months. So if we drag this formula up to the end, let me delete the last two, then what it gives is 2 monthly average, but in moving term, it gives an average of the corresponding value and the value before that. So this is nothing but a series which calculates moving average of this particular series, and the period for the moving average we have considered is 2 months. So you can have 3 monthly moving average, 4 monthly, depending on how you need it. This is the case where we have calculated 2 monthly moving average. And if you create a line chart of this moving average series, what you get is a moving average trend line. So let me change the chart type and select line. And this is the moving average trend line for Mumbai sales. In the next session, we will see how this moving average trend line can be used along with a column chart.